Hello everyone. Welcome back to our new video. Today, I'm going to show you how to clear the cache in Chrome in just a few simple steps. If you are searching to delete browser cache in Chrome, you have come to the right place. But before we jump into it, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I've also added some useful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them. Alright, let's get started. To clear the cache in Chrome, first of all, open the Chrome browser on your computer device. Once you are on Chrome, click on the three dots icon at the top right corner of the screen. This will open a drop-down menu with different options. From the menu, scroll down and click on Settings. A new screen will open. From the left side of the screen, click on Privacy and Security. Under Privacy and Security, click on Clear Browsing Data. Now a pop-up screen will appear. Select the time range you prefer: last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, or all time. Now, select cached images and files from the options. You can also choose cookies and browsing history if you want. Once selected, click on Delete Data. Now, Chrome will delete the cached images and files from your browser, freeing up space and fixing loading issues on websites.